Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Raza. Today I'm really excited to share my experience of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic Astro Edition, which is a limited edition watch. The design is inspired by the astrolabe, which I'm going to discuss in a short while. It's a beautifully crafted watch. It has amazing array of features, apps including health apps, and a diverse ecosystem. I'll review the design, the technical aspects, the specific Astro features, the screen and the display, watch faces, battery features, health features, and the apps and ecosystem on this watch. I was also curious as a doctor to assess the accuracy of the blood oxygen monitoring on the watch, which I'm going to share with you. And also, one of the key features that I like really interesting is how to use the camera control on any Galaxy phone like Fold 5 through this watch. The Astro Watch actually boasts a timeless, elegant design which seamlessly blends style and functionality. This 47mm watch actually weighs at about 59 grams, which, to be honest, doesn't feel that heavy on the wrist itself. The sapphire crystal front and the stainless steel frame and the rotating bezel actually transform this smartwatch into a fashion statement. Its design seamlessly blends with any attire, whether it's a casual wear or you're going for a formal meeting. It perfectly suits any kind of occasion. And actually, to top it up, we've got multiple watch faces, including some of the animated wallpapers, which look really cool. And the free fabric band adds to the sporty look of this watch. It is equipped with the latest processor and uses One UI Watch 5 operating system, has an impressive 16 GB memory and a 2 GB RAM. It's all the latest communication networks including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and near field connectivity. The watch comes equipped with multiple sensors. That's why it has an array of vast range of health apps and functionality, which gives it a unique touch. The most impressive feature on this watch is the astrolabe inspired design. Historically, astrolabe was any type of scientific instrument which was used for observational purposes for time. Early astronomers used to calculate the position of the sun and the prominent stars in respect to the horizon and the meridian using this instrument. It ranged from about 8 to 46 centimeters in size, made of metal, usually brass or iron, and it had several principal parts, including a base plate with a network of lines representing the celestial coordinates, an open pattern with a map of the stars. Hence, the Astro Watch design truly reflects the same features inspired from astrolabe to honor the scientific legacy of that extraordinary time. The bezel of the watch has a classic twist. It's slim with a fluid scrolling experience, and also it has astro-inspired engravings with old world charm, which really makes it stand out amongst the crowd. Astro watch face during the daytime reflects the movement taken by the sun. Hence, at the start of the day, the sun is approximately at 6 o'clock position. It keeps going towards the middle of the watch at noon time, and hence just before sunset it's at about 12 o'clock position. The two other circles on the watch face actually reflect a functioning compass on the right, which clearly rotates and moves according to the direction of the wrist, and when clicked it transforms into a full compass. The circle on the left of the screen reflects the movement of the moon across the lunar calendar, with edges reflecting the dates of the month. The night view of the watch face, it's even more beautiful with deep dark blue colors of the night sky. Watch 6 Classic has beautiful Super AMOLED screen with really good 480 by 480 pixel density, and when I compare it with my old Galaxy watch I can see a significant difference in the screen resolution. And with thinner bezel it gives a much larger screen area, which in fact is 34% than the classic watch and also 15% bigger as compared to the recent models. I've used the watch in pretty bright sunny day And the screen resolution is super amazing, crystal clear, even on different watch faces and apps, and I had absolutely no problems whatsoever. There are plenty of options to download the watch faces from Samsung app, including graphical, simple, minimalistic, health oriented watch faces, etc. The watch has an impressive 425 mAh battery, and a full charge can last up to 40 hours depending upon whether the always on display is used or not. It can take up to 80 to 100 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100% with its fast charger which comes with the watch. I've also used my Samsung wireless charging dock to charge the watch. The health apps are amazing on the watch with step count monitoring, which measures the distance, the calories, the floors covered according to the time of the day. The heart rate monitoring is fairly accurate, and it records the heart rate either manually or automatically over the course of the day, which can be tracked. There's an option of measurement of the stress levels, as well as deep breathing exercises to mitigate the stress and to record the sleep patterns. There are plenty of options to record the physical activity and exercises and any form of workout, which is actually GPS tracked. Also, one can record multiple physical activity and exercises in the watch, like running, walking, cycling. The Samsung Health app, which has heart-shaped activity monitoring in different color codes like steps, active time, and activity calories that have been burned, and this can be tracked over the course of the day in a graphical manner. And also, if on the calendar icon is clicked, you can have a look at the visual analysis of the whole month, and by clicking on any particular date, we can go through the different details of particular day, which is actually quite helpful to look at the reflective learning. The watch also comes with a lot of other advanced health features like monitoring oxygen saturations, ECG, blood pressure, and sleep patterns, as I said before. It can track the body composition and also the Samsung Health app, as I just discussed earlier. Now, being a doctor, I was wondering how accurate the blood oxygen saturation measurement on this watch is. So I put it to test with a pulse oximeter, which gives a more accurate assessment. And I must say that the results were pretty impressive. The quick panel mode gives a very nice control of the main features of the watch. You can access the quick panel by pulling down from the top of the screen. Here there are different options of control panel, turning the power off on the watch, controlling the brightness of the screen, accessing the torch, the Wi-Fi settings, etc. For example, let's look at the torch function on the watch. Here we go. The touch screen and the bezel can be used to adjust the brightness, and it's pretty impressive. Also, the brightness of the screen itself can be controlled by rotating the bezel or by holding the brightness button. One can adjust the adaptive brightness according to the ambient light. Same is with the always on display. If you want to use it, you can do so. With one UI interface, the watch comes with impressive range of different apps which can be accessed on either the watch itself or on your Samsung smartphone. There are different categories of these apps which can be grouped into health apps like Samsung Health, MyFitnessPal, Google Fit, music apps like Spotify, Amazon, YouTube Music. Also, Google apps are automatically installed like Google Maps, Play Store. You can use Google Wallet for wireless payments and Google Keep Notes. Similarly, there are Microsoft and Samsung apps in addition to others. I really like this cool feature of accessing the control for the camera on the phone using the watch. Once you click on the camera icon, you can use a bezel as scrolling function for zooming in and zooming out, and that's a pretty cool feature to have it. I must say that I'll be posting separate detailed videos on the health apps, other key apps with tips and tricks, and also the top watch faces down the line. So please stay tuned. So here we are. We went through the design, the technical aspects, Astro features, the display and the screen, watch faces, battery, health features, apps and ecosystems. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and also subscribe to my channel through the links. Until the next time, take care.